Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will show you the fuse box locations. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2015. Now it might also apply to 2016 to 2019, but that's after the facelift, so I can confirm that the location will be completely the same, but it should be. Ford Explorers have two fuse boxes. Main fuse box is under the front hood and it's very easy accessible, and the secondary fuse box will be located just under the steering wheel, and there is a bit of effort to be able to access it. You'll pretty much have to remove the bottom plastic and then you'll be able to reach to it. I will now show you how to reach and the location of both of them. Okay, now the main fuse box is located under the front hood on the driver's side. It's right here, very easy accessible. To leave the cover, you will have two black tabs here. You want to press both of them at the same time and leave the cover up. And here you will get access to all of the fuses and relays. And on the back side of that cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the second fuse box is under the steering wheel. It's a bit harder to access it. Now what I noticed, I'll turn the flash on my phone. There's supposed to be a plastic cover down here which is missing in my case. I just got this car off the auction. But anyways, to remove the cover you'll have two screws. One here, so this is the one, and this is the second one. You'll have to remove those two screws. They are both 7mm, and then just pull the cover off, and then you will be able to get the access to the fuse box. And now I will show you that fuse box here. Okay, and the fuse box will be in the upper left corner, right here. Okay, now again there's supposed to be a small cover on top of it, but somebody was playing with this in the past, so I'm missing the cover. But anyways, the cover is supposed to be here, and you'll have two black tabs which you just have to push and remove the cover, and on top of the cover you'll also have a small fuse diagram. But unfortunately I don't have the cover either, but this is the location of the fuse box. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.